Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Without a further ado, let's get right into this week's market analysis using candlestick pattern view as well as market profile view. So as explained in the last week's video, I have rolled over to the March 2023 contract. So typically the futures contracts expires every 3 months, every quarter indirectly. So the December contract just expired on December 16th. So we have to switch to the newer contract, which is what you are seeing here right now. ES March 2023 market profile view chart. So let's start with market profile view of what happened last week and then what could potentially happen for next week. All right. So last week Friday was December 9th. December 9th here. Let me show you what has happened. So last week Friday we had a spike, and I mentioned that above the spike base it's going to be bullish, below it's going to be bearish. And then the following day, and the reason I'm skipping this one profile is because it's an overnight session profile. So the following day we opened up with right at the spike base, and then we rocketed crazy. We went back within the balance and we hit the other end of the balance as the target. So we closed almost near the high of the day, creating another spike to the upside on Monday. And then we opened up with a gap up on the following day, right around, where did we open here? Yeah, we opened literally on the top. You see how much big gap it was? Yeah, the overnight session there was literally a short squeeze, and then we had opened almost near almost 50 points, no, not 50 points, even more, from 40.26 to 41.40, almost 120 points gap up we had. And then the full move was retraced because there was not enough buyers in this short covering rally. And then we formed a new set of single prints that we haven't tested yet, and the trend continued down because we had a close within the balance zone after a gap up and filling the gap maybe by leaving few ticks. We had closed within the balance, so the target is other end of the balance, and we continued going lower with by forming a new set of single prints in the overnight session. So I'm only leaving behind the latest whatever is pending business. So let me also remove the previous 4-day balance that the target has hit, meaning once balance breakdown happens, then it's generally going to go to the balance target, and we hit that on Friday, which was December 16th. As you can see here. So let's start with what else is pending. So we still have a gap left on the upside, and then there was another gap which we filled on Friday, and we formed a poor low near the previous 4-day balance zone. So here is what is going to be for next week. So since on December 16th we formed a poor low, below this it's going to be bearish because all the people who have bought in the Friday or even Thursday would start liquidating their long positions if we break the Friday's low. So it's going to be bearish. So you want to stay short or buy puts once we break the 38.55. And then above the value area high of 38.81, you're looking at bullish sentiment or bullish behavior. So you can stay long on futures or buy call options. So within this zone, 38.55.25 and 38.81.75, it's going to be choppy, meaning sideways price action. So that's it for market profile view. And the trend on market profile is bearish because we closed on Friday below the Thursday's low. So the trend is bearish on daily time frame in market profile. So let's jump to the candlestick analysis, and then top down approach. Let's go to monthly chart. So the monthly chart, this is the last month of the year, so we are still trading within the November month's range, but the trend is up because we broke above the prior month's high, and now we are trading within the November month's range. So the trend on monthly is balancing, up but balancing. And then let's go to weekly. On a weekly time frame, the trend is down, although it broke the high of the previous week, but we are trading below the prior week's low, and that is why the trend is down. Whichever information is the latest, we tag the trend based on that. So the latest is that we broke the prior week's low and we are trading below, so the trend on the weekly is down. And the trend on the daily, let's take a look. So let me, oh, I zoomed in too much. Yeah, so the trend on daily is also bearish because we had traded and closed below Thursday's low. So with that being said, let me summarize. The trend on daily is down, trend on weekly is also down, and trend on monthly is up but balancing. Let me show you that one last thing. So you can position your trades accordingly, because once you know the monthly time frame and weekly and daily, you can accordingly position short or long or adjust your portfolios. Okay, next, and coming to the summary on the market profile view, the key line in sand that I'm looking at is the break of 38.55 is going to be bearish, so you can stay short or buy puts below 38.55.25, and then you can stay long or buy calls about 38.81.75. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Wait, my dog is scratching the door, so he wants me to open the door. So this is our dog Pluto. He was scratching the door when I was recording. So this guy has been scratching the door. He needs my attention, and so this is our pet Pluto again. Gonna say bye. Bye bye. Bye guys. Thank you for watching again.